Hi everybody, Health Coach Erin here. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about what balanced nutrition means. So while I can't do a short video clip and include all of the important things that are in the realm of balanced nutrition, what I can tell you is that we eat because our bodies need certain nutrients. So different foods provide different types of nutrients and also different types of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. And that is one of the reasons why balancing that nutrition is important. So I'll give you the main overview of something that you've probably heard before, macros. If you've never heard of a macro is short for macronutrient. So the macronutrients include the big three: fat, carbohydrates, and protein. So fat's been a little bit demonized in our culture. I am a child of the 90s, and everything in our house and every other household in the US probably at that time was low fat. So we know that the food manufacturers, it's because you got to replace it with something, right? They just pumped a bunch of sugar and things like that into it. So fat is not as bad as it was made out to be. Of course, too much of any good thing is still too much of a good thing. But the only fats that I would tell you to completely stay away from would be the hydrogenated oils, the trans fats. Those, in my opinion, in the opinion of many nutritional experts and physicians and other healthcare practitioners, is that they are pure evil. Our bodies don't recognize them and don't even really know what to do with them, so they kind of wreak havoc. So when you see hydrogenated oils, stay away from those. Another one of the three macronutrients is carbohydrates. This is another element of macronutrients that has been kind of demonized lately. So what I will say is that not all carbs are created equal. So carbohydrates, or the foods that contain carbohydrates, especially the nice complex ones that we would find in things like whole grains, they have a lot of nutritional benefit for our bodies. They have fiber, which we know the importance of fiber, and they also supply kind of a steady stream of energy. And our brains need carbohydrates to function properly too. Muscles need them for repair. We hear lots about protein, and while protein is extremely important, we usually need some carbs too. And again, too much of anything is not always good. So the last macronutrient, which I actually just mentioned, is protein. Protein does a lot to help our bodies build and repair, and so it is extremely important, and we need protein in our diets daily. So protein does a lot to repair muscle, tendons, ligaments, all of those fibers in the body. It also helps satiate us, keep us full, all those good kinds of things. So all in all, this is one of the reasons why it's pretty important to balance those macronutrients within our daily nutritional plan. And if you have questions, this is something that we talk a lot about in my private sessions and also classes. So if you need additional information, I'm always here to help, and just reach out and we'll talk soon. Thanks again. Bye.